What's up YouTube? Going to delve into Solana, starting off on the weekly chart here. I've drawn in Fibonacci levels from the peak back in November 2021 to the trough down here in June of 2022. And I've actually reversed the Fibonacci's here, okay? So you could say that this is Fibonacci extension. And we're at a very crucial resistance level here, which is why I'm more biased to short the market at these levels here, because going back to 2021 in June, you can see this area here where we actually found quite a bit of support, but mainly last year here in 2021 we had a nice little bounce play out. We went from 25 to 47, so this level here at 25.86 is a former support level, but now I would say that it is strong resistance because the macro trend is down still. And I've also drawn in this line here, so there's a potential to test this area of support just below 20 bucks and then have a nice little bounce. So yeah, right now my bias is to short Solana at these levels with a tight stop loss. I would say around, well, my stop loss is actually at 31, so I've given myself quite a bit of room here just in case we get a scam pump towards this area of support. But I do feel as though we get resistance here. We've also got the 21 EMA as well here, which will act as resistance, and we haven't even closed above that yet. So I think this has been a gigantic move here from the low. We had a 3x, more than a 3x actually, and we're currently just below 24 right now. So yeah, my suggestion is to short Solana above 24 and aim for this white line here, a touch below 20. Could we go lower? Yes, but I feel as though that would be a great level to close out some short positions. And also looking at the stochastic RSI on the weekly, we are in overbought territory. Momentum is still up, but we are definitely getting close to a pullback here. I'll zoom in on the 3-day chart here. So I believe that this 5-wave structure has come to an end, and stochastic here is it's still overbought. Has a lot of room for downside here, and you could say we've even got declining volume here. So also with these Fibonacci levels from 48 to 8, we are in that golden pocket area. So, and you've got the 50 EMA here as well, this pink line. So further evidence of resistance here on the 3-day chart. Heading over to the daily. You've got this 50 EMA, sorry, that's the 200 EMA here. That will be strong resistance if we get up there. That's at around $30, but I don't think we see that. So yeah, we've had a nice 5-wave Elliott wave move to the upside here. Now looking at this stochastic, it looks like it's actually cooled off quite a bit on the daily. So some mixed indicators there. We've got support here if we do come down at $20. This is the 100 EMA, the 21 EMA. So there's quite a bit of support down here if we do get a dump. So yeah, short positions should be taking profits at around the $20 level. Heading over to the 8-hour chart. Looks like we had a bit of a dump yesterday, and we're just sort of getting a bit of a dead cat bounce from that dump because I'm assuming that a lot of people probably flipped short here, and now they're sort of getting trapped. So if you're using a lot of leverage and you went short late yesterday, you'd probably be feeling the pain because we went all the way. We bounced from 20, 22, 24 all the way up to 24, 45. So I actually shorted around this level. So I actually gave back all my gains during my sleep. But I kind of was expecting that. That tends to happen quite a bit. So, but I still think we come down here. So obviously a lot depends on Bitcoin as well and the wider equity markets. So if we see them coming down, that's going to definitely filter through to Solana. You got the bottom of the Keltner channel here at 19, so there is room for dump, and this ADA now is acting as resistance, and heading over to the 4-hour chart finally. Pretty similar to the 8-hour. We were oversold here, so we're just getting a bit of a bounce, but it's looking like it's coming down now, and we've got 1 hour and 26 minutes to the end of this candle. So if this reverses, all of a sudden this candle's going to look very bearish, and we'll probably come down to test 21.20 in the next 24 hours if this does indeed flip bearish. So that's my analysis for Solana. So if this is the completion of a 5-wave, we're currently in an ABC correction right now. So that could be A, B, C coming down here. I'll just draw that in. And that's my projection. Anyway, I'll wrap that up and we'll catch you in the next update.